Hello, brother. Good morning. Yes, I did. I got almost ready. Just shower is remaining. And guess what? Guess what? Our trades are getting matched with Alex. Even we are getting more good than Alex. So my mentor, brother, he did lost. He did lost this week, and also he avoided the trade, which I was also looking, but it was not that clear. Why he still took that trade, I don't know. And exactly the same thing he was waiting for, exactly same thing which I was waiting for, but I haven't shortlisted because it was not clear that GBP USD. GBP USD, we are, hold on, let me share you what are we waiting for. Hello there. So let's go for GBP USD. Internet one na tatya. Hangistan dega Hangistan. So basically, man, I am so getting happy just because of my trades are getting matched with Alex, and even I'm getting more good than Alex. So GUSD. So basically we have the retracement to that exact area of, oh my god. I can't fucking make this shit, brother. And guys, today is not the day to sell this GBP USD trade. Ask me why. ये इतना hang क्यों हो रहा है? इतना hang नहीं होता है, नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. So today is not a day to sell the GBP USD. Why? You may ask why. Because today is a day of accumulation. You will be like, why? What is accumulation of this? So you have to sign up for my course, brother. So today is accumulation day. बहुत सारे sellers will sell today, and today their stop loss is going to get hit, and the next day is going to be push day, and that push day we are going to take the trade when all the traders who are going to sell today will get kicked out from the market, and then I'm going to sell the market. So basically today is a doji candle day, doji candle, and plus 4 hours is bullish, 4 hours got bullish. So what I'm waiting here, hold on. So basically, 4 hours is creating that higher low. Okay, what I'm waiting here, 4 hours to go bullish, 4 hours to create one more high, and then get bearish, and then get retrace, and then push down. So this 4 hours movement will create the doji candle and close that doji candle today, and the next day that doji candle will be having the pullback to that wick. Pullback will be visible in the daily, but that pullback will be this lower high on the 4 hours, and then the push is going to be happen. Certainly the probability, see, we are taking the trades on the probability basis. 9 out of 10 times this move has to happen, but that one time this market this comes down. So we are probability traders. Okay, so we have to take the things which is highly probable, not the low probable. So this is a highly probable that the move is going to go up and then trace and then go down. This is what actually happens. We don't want to take the trade. Certainly the things which happen only like only one time. So I'm waiting in GPUs, I'm waiting for bullish and then get bearish and then do this and do this. So today is not a day to take the trade, tomorrow is the day to take the trade. Beautiful. I love this, you know. I literally love the big pullback. Now मेरे को ना बोलते नहीं आ रहा because I'm drinking water right now. So yeah, pretty much it is on weekly. It is going to get that. This is creating that wick pullback. This is going to be the push to the down. So pretty much this is it. Signing off, guys. Signing off. So yes, that was my analysis. That is my analysis, not was. Is my analysis. And one more thing is, we are creating the account. I mean, we have already done. We haven't set up it. It was so confusing. So. But yesterday I was watching the like lectures of the Whoop account, how we can set up and how we can do the every single thing. It is fucking simple, and I have almost 90% set up, but that 10% was remaining. That's why my Whoop account haven't gone live to the marketplace. So that's the reason. So we have to set up. So what our today's target is, we have to set up that Whoop account where I'm going to sell my course, where I'm going to sell every single thing. That will be fucking this. That will be my setup all the business. One business lecture, one business is going to be a trading signal, one business is going to be one-on-one coaching, other businesses here only we have created the 3 business. One business is going to be the community, and then one more business is going to be digital marketing, one more business is real estate, one more business is going to be application, one more business. Certainly we are going to kill this. We're literally going to build off like anything big $1 billion empire. It has to start some of the small dollars. Yeah. This is the first step, because why I'm taking the trading as a business, because we have a proven track record. We are doing the same thing. I love it. I can do it anything, anytime, anywhere. So basically the one thing which I'm very good in creating, building a business around it. And once the communication, once the connections connected, then we can like scale up from that. So it's very simple. Now I have told you I'm a millionaire by brain, just not money. But I'm going to be 100% guaranteed billionaire within next couple of. But right now I am a millionaire by mind. But it's a guarantee within couple of years going to millionaire by mind and also by finance. It is what it is, brother. Before you get financial millionaire by financial, you have to be millionaire by mind. If you don't think the way the millionaire people think, you are never going to be millionaire. So first you have to program yourself about like a millionaire. Then next step is getting the output about what do you think. So it is what it is. Brother, yeah, what a machar is it? That's why I'm not standing in one place. So that we are here for rule 1 liter water for after brush and after doing any single possible. After I wake up, do brush and drink this 1 liter bottle. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, after getting ready, straight to today. We're going to set up. We're going to go live today. About our this what it is. What is fucking it? Yeah. Whoop. Yeah. What is the fuck we're going to use? To me, that is a where that will be my I can say that will be my home for all of my business, all of my. So basically that is kind of CRM, kind of, not really, but yeah, kind of we can talk about. So this is what it is. My hand is spinning after signing off. Hello there, good morning. I mean, yeah, I got ready right now 10:33. बहुत लेट हो रहा है यार, बहुत लेट हुआ आज. उठने को ही थमल दम लग रहा. So उठने को ही मेरे को I don't know how my alarm just close, but it literally मेरे को समझा ही नहीं मेरा कब अलार्म बजा, कब अलार्म क्लोज हुआ. इवन फोन वो साइड में ही था मेरे. या मैं सबकॉन्शियसली मैं I woke up and I closed the alarm. Maybe that could be possibility. So it is what it is. Yeah, I look beautiful. I am beautiful boy. So yeah, I came on terrace. So let's start working on our business. Let's build that store and let's go live on that store. Let's crunch the fucking money. Yeah. Look at that. किती भारी बघा ते ढगातून चाललंय.
एवढा गडद कलर आहे.
हा आधीच आलं बघा ते. यो किती छान ना. एकच वा आवडलं एकदम छान. Holy moly, brother. I'm still sitting on the terrace. I just set up. It is so simple to do. I just literally set up 2 payments for my product. Crypto pyramid. This is new advanced thing. And me as a non-crypto guy, I mean I'm a fucking trader, brother. But while previously I was using the crypto, it was so messy like anything. But this is so simple. I can't click anywhere. जो भी code है वो release हो जाएगा. I mean दिख जाएगा. तो this is what it. I'm closing this. Will to creating the more. I have added the payment. I've created a Whoop account, and now it's time to it's time to create the promotion video. And once I done this, and then I am going to publish this Whoop account, and then we'll see the result within couple of days. Signing off. Hey everyone, so I hope my screen is visible. Now we are getting the entry signal here, but we are not going to take the trade because this is the market. What it is, this is what market is giving a fake out, because I can understand that this is going to be doji candle. It just can't go certainly down by creating such kind of weird lower high, but there is very high probable that this is going to be go up and then it is going to come down, but it is having a very low probable that it is certainly going to go down. So we are a trader, we are going to trade with the properties. So we are getting a beautiful rejection here, beautiful like slowdown of the movement, etc, engulfing candles. Still I will not be interested to take this trade because it is certainly not my type of trade, okay? Because 4 hours is bullish, all right? Yeah, I can understand the 4 hours is bullish just because of having the retracement. It has to go bullish, but certainly I don't like this. I want this candle to close like this. Then I will decide that will be new lower high to get the new lower low. But if it candle is how in the world this candle is going to go like this and create the new lower low, then where is the new lower high? It has to create the new lower high before it create a new lower low. it doesn't make sense. This is fucking logic, brother. This is fucking logic. That's the reason, even though we are getting this beautiful entry signal, I am certainly not going to take this trade. I just keep this risk reward ratio. Okay, let's just, I'm not going to take this trade. Okay, let's just pretend that we are going to take this trade and now see, are we going to have the loss or are we going to have the profit? So this is going to be this 30 minute, yes. So this is this and 13.4 plus 1.4. Where is the calculator? Oh, I look worse. 13.4 plus 1.4 is equal to 27.4. So if we just give 27.4, double click 27.4. Okay, we haven't have the loss up till now, but I'm not going to take this trade. This is just for, you know, like just for like you know, like कसं सांगू मी आता, कसं सांगू? I don't want to take this trade, but I want to see what if I have take this trade, even though this is the worst trade like anything. This is not even a trade up till now. This has to have to build up, and the take profit since the fucking take profit is also not be good. The weekly take profit is possible. Yeah, weekly take profit is, yeah, kind of, no, weekly take profit is this. Yeah, this could work for now, but I certainly don't think so it is going to go down instantly and do this. Not at all, not fucking at all. So this is what my prediction is. I have just, now we'll see. Okay, we'll see who will be winning. My prediction is this is not going to go down now. It has to go up. Okay, so lots of traders are going to sell right now, and my prediction is the probability of going down is very low. Okay, like just 10%, or even if we can say 5%, but let's say 10%. The probability of this price to go and hit our take profit is only 10%, but the probability of this trade to hit the stop loss is 90%, and I will say why. Because the 4 hours is bullish, that is true. Also, daily has to be closed like this or kind of doji. This is not the push candle. And this third thing is this has to take this liquidity, brother. This has to have the retracement. That weak retracement is remaining for this EMA, 4 hours EMA. The daily has to close the bearish. Has to close this. Has to close like this to create the new lower high. If it doesn't close like this, that is not the valid lower high. And how it can create the lower low before it has to create before lower high to create the new lower low. So basically that is what my logic is. It has to go up. Now we'll see. Now the battle is between my prediction versus market. So now if market goes down, yes, I will understand that there was a probability of going down was only 10%, but if market goes up, I will be very much happy because the probability of going up is certainly 90%, and that is what I'm predicting. Now 90% of time this market is going to go up. We'll see who is going to win. Either 90% of time 90% won, or that 10% is going to win. Either market is going to go up or either market is going to go down. So now my prediction is market is going to go up. Right now market is going to go up, take the stop losses, and then come down. So what my prediction is, we'll see later on what happens come after the next day. Signing off. I am very much confident in this trade, that this trade is going to be the loss trade. I haven't took this trade. This is going to be the losing trade for sure. I'm giving the guarantee of 90%, brother. Signing off. Enjoy. Oh yes, also our business, it is still in process now. काय झालं आले का
अरे मराठी करून दे ना.
मराठी करून द्यायचं का थालो
समजत नाही मला.
समजत नाही. So what I was saying is ना store to build हो गया. So now the tedious work is remaining is the only one thing is the what it is. Video is most important thing. The video is most important. So अभी galleries, photos, images, videos, now I have to upload it. I have to scrap the video from. I have to upload the my previous prediction to up till now prediction. I'm going to take that every single clip from YouTube, and I will make a beautiful video of that. I will upload it so that people will literally see the video. And yeah, pretty much this is going to be done. I'm going to record the video, horizontal video. Pretty much it happens. Science. Brother, I'm really going to save your time like anything. Hold on, let me just. I have tried many YouTube clipper, but A YouTube clipper means I want this. I have this big 1 hour of video and I just need that 3 seconds of the from that. So this one account is enough. So basically, rather than downloading this 1 hour video, I just want that 3 seconds from that. So I need a website who can do this, like paste the YouTube link and give me that 7 seconds part, which and just download that 7 second part. So this is finally video clipper. This is website, man. I literally waste my time for. I was literally I was thinking to give this project to someone. See this, कितना मैंने search किया. I was continuously on the phone, continuously. See this, like anything. I have tried millions and millions of ways, but finally, I found this. I found this website. This is seriously, this is the only one, and this is free, man. This is beautiful. Signing off.
इकडे त्याला अरे म्हणलं गाणं हात धर हात धर बोट धर दादाचं बोट धर दादा आहे ना तो बुए जाऊ
सोबतच म्हणलं एक तो झोपलं का एक तो खेळतो असं त्रास देत असेल.
Oh my god, brother, look at that. As I said, I really don't know why I'm looking like that. It has to take at a plus. And now the 4 hours is foolish. As I said, look at my lines. Look at my line. It is exactly following the way. Now next, that means tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow this 4 hours is going to get buried in retrace. Then take this. If this happens, then and then only interested to take this trade. And I'm good. But there will be no trade this way. It is better to not to take the trade than taking a trade and doing login, brother.